Now let's work on another example, and this time I would like you to try first, then come back and then look at my solution. So say a school uses a username scheme that takes the first two letters of your first name, the first two letters of your last name, and the last four digits of your student ID to create a username. So here's an example. If your first name is Irfan, last name is Ortak, and your student ID is 10002788, and your username should look like IROR2788. So you should write a program that takes the first name, last name, and student ID as user input, then creates and prints a username using the above scheme. So you should now pause the video here, try it on your own, and then come back. So if you tried this on your own already, and let's do it together. So first thing I want to do is I want to say a program to generate username from the first two letters of your first name and first two letters of your last name and the last four digits of your student ID to create a username. Okay, so I already asked for first name and last name. All I have to do is let's ask for ID. Let's say SID, and then this time you can input it as integer, but it's really not necessary. User ID, even they can contain all numerical values, but they don't have numerical importance. They're just simple numbers. All right, so we can say enter your student ID. Okay, so it looks good. Now to generate the username, I need the first two of your first name and then first two of your last name plus I need SID. The indexing will be negative indexing. So I need to start from the last all the way to -4. See if I'm right. Okay, and then let's go ahead and then we should save this as username 2. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so first name and we said 002788. So here we go. So if I put this one here, it actually took the first 4, so which means that I can change it to start from last 4 to the end. Okay, that sounds more accurate. Try again. And here you go. So IOR 2788. So in that case, it doesn't matter how long is your user ID is, because it could change from year to year, but the last 4 will always be taken as part of your username.